Good day, good day, good day, good day. Oh, it is with our greatest delights once more, guys, to be back on YouTube filming. Tell you what, guys, it is with our utmost delight and honor to serve you guys every day. Now, guys, I'm gonna give you some feedback on NASDAQ. I wanna show you what is it we expect for today. By the time I post the video, it's probably happened. But then the purpose of this is that you just want to come back and watch and learn from what is it I know and my perspective, mix it with yours, makes us all profitable, right? So I don't know why is it we're taking time. Let me just, excuse me, let me open the chart now, guys. First and foremost, we go on our weekly chart. Let's find out trend. What is the trend on NASDAQ right now? I want to find out what the trend is. High, low, high, low, high, right? High, low, lower high, lower low, lower high point, lower low. Now, I want to show you something. When we zoom in right here, do you see this lower high point closed in between this area, and we actually closed above this area? So this is a new high, guys. Just to correct that, it is a new high. Making a new high in the market, what has happened now? We've created a new high low point. Now we made a new high when 3 weeks back, and this week we potentially making a new high low. What does that tell us? Well, a bullish trend is probably on the way, and I've been bearish in this market up until this happened, and we're forming a higher low point at a support area which is very strong. We see that it held 1, 2, 3, potentially 4 this week times. Now, what is our trend? We anticipate a bullish trend upcoming. Let's go into our lower time frames. Now, what do we note from the lower time frames? Excuse me, let me remove that. Boom. I hope you all well, by the way. I forgot to ask. Tell me how is it you feel on the comments. So, once again, where do we stand on the daily? Let me empty my grocery list on NASDAQ, right? On the daily, we have made a new bullish close. Look, we had an impulse up and then an impulse down, high, lower, high, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high. This was our lower low point, and we made potential lower high. Now, let's skip the lower high points and lower and high low peaks and troughs. Let's ignore them for now and basically focus on structure on the daily. So what do we note? We note that, okay, this is our gain, our weekly structure. We closed above it, and not only did we close above it, this is the biggest close we have had since 04 April. This is the highest we have ever pushed in a bullish movement. This is the highest bullish movement we have ever had since 04 April. Now that should tell us something, that okay, knowing that the weekly is also creating a potential higher low, we're respecting supported weekly. Wow, okay, it means that a potential bullish trend could be on the way. It means a potential. Remember, we're not sure. Now, these analyses you see here were already posted on TradingView, so excuse the unneatness. Now, I want to talk you through what happened last week. Yesterday, excuse me. Where a downward in trend line got broken to the upside. We did not create a new high, right? We're still in a range-ish area. Remember, this area hasn't made any new highs or lows, so it's still a ranging area right now. Where would be the best place for us to go look for buy movement, buy trades? It would be at this trend line right here. if we do come to this trend line and respect this trend line, then I'll look for bullish movement. But for now, I am not sure. Right, we do have a potential bullish movement coming, but we not verified yet whether it's going to hold or not. The weekly could still close below this area and could still be bearish, but so far, should we break this yellow trend line or come touch this purple trend line, then I'll look for buys. So let's go into the lower time frames. Now, looking at the lower time frames, you can see that there isn't any momentum to the downside. There isn't any at all. So if there is no momentum to the downside, what are we to look for? We look for buys. Now, I drew this trend line right here, which has 1, 2, 3 touches, and it has held hard, guys. Look, it has held how many times? It has held since potential 40 minutes. It's been holding this very same area. So this tells us what? There's bullish pressure, and we could touch it and then go there and then maybe sell. And should this happen, then I'll be on the lookout for sell opportunities. So that's it from me today, guys. Till we meet again, be sure to subscribe, like, comment. We'll be back for more and 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 more insights. That's it from me. God bless once more. We love you. Till we meet again.